Hi, welcome to our new video of our new series of Advanced Python. Today we are going to learn about the Global Interpreter Lock or GIL in Python. How does it work and what does it do? If you are new here, do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to receive every video update. Thanks. What is GIL? So, the Global Interpreter Lock is a Python process lock. As you can guess, it locks something from happening. The something here is multi-threading. Basically, GIL in Python doesn't allow multi-threading, which can sometimes be considered as a disadvantage. To understand why GIL is so infamous, let's learn about multi-threading first. So, what is multi-threading? Thread refers to a separate flow of execution. Multi-threading means that there are two or more things happening at the same time. This helps in saving a large amount of data space and computation time. All the individual threads will share the same resources for efficiency. Multi-threading seems so amazing, right? Unfortunately, we can't achieve this in Python. There is a good reason for it. In Python, you can only execute one thread at a time as it has GIL. While many programs we execute are single-threaded, there are some which have a multi-threaded architecture. In these cases, GIL causes a negative impact on multi-threaded programs. I will demonstrate this impact in later sections with examples. What does Python Global Interpreter Lock do? The Global Interpreter Lock of Python allows only one thread to be executed at a time. It is often a hurdle, as it does not allow multi-threading in Python to save time. Till now, we know that GIL restricts parallel programming and reduces efficiency. Despite these reasons, Python uses GIL. But why? Unlike the other programming languages, Python has a reference counter for memory management. When an object is declared in Python, there's a reference counter variable dedicated to it. This will keep track of the number of references that point to the particular object. Consider the below example. You can get the reference count through this function. Let's take an example to understand it better. Observe the code and output on your screen. The object myVariable is referenced 3 times. First, when it was initialized, then assigned to x, lastly, when it was passed as an argument to getRefCount function. When this count becomes 0, the variable object is released from memory. I hope you are clear about the reference counter now. This reference counter needs to be protected in order for it from being accidentally released from memory, which is what GIL does. What will happen to the reference counter in case of multi-threading? In the case of multi-threading, there is a possibility that the two threads might increase or decrease the counter's value at the same time. Because of this, the variable might be incorrectly released from the memory while a reference to that object still exists. It can cause leaked memory, even end up in system crash or numerous bugs. Hence, GIL protects the reference counter by disabling multi-threading in Python. Why GIL is chosen as the solution? The previous section explained why multi-threading has to be restricted. But, it didn't explain why it chose GIL as the solution. Let's look more into this section. Some of the reasons were: Python is used extensively because of the variety of packages it provides. Many of these packages are written in C or C++. These C extensions were prone to inconsistent changes. GIL can provide a thread-safe memory management, which was much required. It's a simple design as only one lock has to be managed. GIL also provides a performance boost to the single-threaded programs. It makes it possible to integrate many C libraries with Python. This is a main reason which made it popular. Have you guys any questions in your mind? Do not hesitate to ask in the comments section. We learned what Global Interpreter Lock does and what does it do with Python. What are its advantages? You can see how many problems GIL solved for Python. But then, every coin has two sides. Baza. In the next section, We will learn about its negative impact too, so stay tuned. And do not forget to subscribe. Until the next video, goodbye.